Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the question that is called as the how to prepare the aldehyde and ketone. It means the topic general method of preparation of aldehyde and ketones. Okay, beta, it is a very important question exam point of view. It means how to prepare the aldehyde ketone. That is called as a general method of preparation of aldehyde and ketones. So first of all, the aldehyde and ketone are prepared by the topic number first A by oxidation of alcohol. What we take here the point? By oxidation of alcohol, we prepared what here? The what? Aldehyde and ketone. So we take the first point, how to prepare the what here? The aldehyde and ketone by using the what? The process of oxidation of alcohol. You know what is oxidation? The process in which the addition of oxygen in presence of oxidizing agent called as the oxidations. Clear beta? So we take the first of all the formula of alcohol. So when alcohol, it means in a simple language, you know that if you discuss about the alcohol and phenol, so the alcohol on oxidation always give the what here? It means the primary alcohol is give the aldehyde, whereas the oxidation of secondary alcohol it is gives the what here? Ketones. ये बात याद रखो बेटा कि जब भी हम लोग प्राइमरी अल्कोहल का ऑक्सीडेशन करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा हमको? अल्डिहाइड मिलेगा, और अगर हम लोग किसी भी सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल का क्या करेंगे? ऑक्सीजन करें तो क्या मिलेगा हमको? व्हाट वी गेट हियर? कीटोन्स. ठीक है बेटा. सो वी टेक द एग्जांपल हियर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी टेक द प्राइमरी अल्कोहल. So when a primary alcohol, what here? So when a primary alcohol, the formula CH3 single bond CH2 single bond OH. When the primary alcohol react with oxygen, what we take here? React with oxygen in presence of oxidizing agent. Especially we take the KMNO4 or K2Cr2O7, different oxidizing agent also used. So the KMNO4 called as the potassium permanganate, whereas the K2Cr2O7 called as what here? Potassium dichromate. These two reagent are act as the oxidizing what here? Agent. And with the help of this oxidizing agent, we added a oxygen called as the oxidations. Clear? So when it is a what here? It is a 1 degree indicate a what here? Primary alcohol. So on oxidation what we get? So in this reaction this OH, clear beta, and this one H will be goes as H2O. Now we added here the only one atom of oxygen. How many atom? So this OH and this one H, it means it is also right in the form of what here? CH3CHH. So this H, clear? This H and this will be this OH will be goes as what here? H2O, and remaining oxygen is react with CH. So what we get? We get a CH3 single bond CHO and loss of water molecule. It is called aldehyde, and on aldehyde react with a CH3. The special name of this compound, it is called as what here? Acetaldehyde. It means on oxidation of what here? The primary alcohol, it gives the aldehyde. Which aldehyde? Acetaldehyde. याद रखो बेटा कि जब भी हम लोग किसी भी प्राइमरी अल्कोहल का क्या करते हैं? ऑक्सीडेशन करते हैं तो ऑलवेज what we get a product? We get a aldehyde. Which aldehyde? Depend upon the group. CH3 called as the acetaldehyde, H called as the formaldehyde, C6H5 called as the benzaldehyde. ठीक है? So when a primary alcohol on oxidation take place in presence of KMNO4 and K2Cr2O7, it form the acetaldehyde. It is called as the preparation of aldehyde. Now we take the second here, how to prepare ketone. So ketone are prepared by using, so the ketone are prepared by using what here? So the ketone are prepared by using of the secondary alcohol. What here? The secondary alcohol. So now we take the reaction, how to prepare a ketone by using the secondary alcohol. Okay. So we take the example here. secondary alcohol CH3 single bond CH attached to OH single bond CH3, it is called as what here? The secondary alcohol. So when a secondary alcohol on oxidation, it means addition of oxygen in presence of same catalyst KMnO4 and K2Cr2O7, same here, this OH and this will H will be goes as H2O, and this oxygen are shifted to this CH. What here? So what we get? We get here CH3 single bond C double bond O CH3 or CO plus loss of what here? Plus loss of water molecule. It is called a special name of this compound called as acetone, because CO called as the functional group of ketone, and this 2CH3 the special name of this compound called as what here? Acetone. Clear? It means on the oxidation of secondary alcohol it form the acetone. So in this way we take the first point here, by oxidation of alcohol, it means the primary alcohol on oxidation in presence of KMnO4 and K2Cr2O7, it forms the aldehyde, which aldehyde especially acetaldehyde, whereas the oxidation of secondary alcohol in presence of same catalyst or oxidizing agent, it forms the acetone. It means first process, by the help of oxidation of alcohol we prepare the aldehyde and ketone. Clear? Now we take the second topic here. What here? By dehalogenation. What here? By dehydrogenation of alcohol. What here? By dehydrogenation of alcohol. It means we remove a halogen called hydrogen called the dehydro. What here? Dehydrogenation of alcohol. यानी आपको अल्कोहल में से काय को लॉस करना है? हाइड्रोजन को लॉस करना है, उसे बोलते क्या बेटा? Dehydrogenation of alcohol. It means the process in which remove of hydrogen in the from the alcohol called as what here? The dehydrogenation of alcohol. It means with the help of remove of hydrogen from alcohol, we prepared a aldehyde and ketone here. So now we take the example here. So how to prepare aldehyde and ketones? With the help of what here? Dehydrogenation of alcohol. So we take the example here. What here? So alcohol, any alcohol. So we take the primary alcohol. When a primary alcohol means CH3OH, it is called as a primary alcohol. Why it is called as primary alcohol? Because this alcohol group, OH group, attached to which carbon? Primary carbon. Why it is called as primary carbon? The carbon attached to single carbon, it is called as primary carbon, and that carbon that which the any functional group is attached, the name is same here, primary. That's why the primary alcohol. On dehydrogenation means remove of hydrogen take place, and this process take place in presence of CrO3, chromium trioxide, okay, and heat. So what we get here? In this reaction, loss of what here? In this reaction, the loss of hydrogen. It means one H from this carbon and this H. This H, what we get here? So this H will be lost. So what we get remaining? CH3 single bond CH. This one H, this O will be goes as what here? Sorry, this one H. It means remaining CH and this O also remaining, plus loss of H2 gas called as hydrogen gas. The compound is called as, special name of compound called what here? Acetaldehyde. What here? So loss of hydrogen means this one H from this carbon and one H from this oxygen, this 2H loss, remaining atom are joined together. It means with the help of dehydrogenation of alcohol, it form the acetaldehyde. Whereas we take the secondary alcohol means CH3 single bond CH attached to OH attached to CH3, it is called as what here? Secondary alcohol. On oxidation of secondary, on reduction of secondary alcohol, what we get? Same here, this one H will be goes as H2, remaining are CH3C double bond O single bond CH3 and plus H2O. It is formed, the special name of compound is called as acetone, member of ketone. It means with the help of dehydrogenation, remove of a hydrogen from alcohol, it form the what here? The acetaldehyde and acetone, the reactant are as it is, sorry, the catalysts are as it is. Okay. So in this way we prepared what here? Aldehyde and ketone from by first by oxidation of alcohol first, and second by dehydrogenation of alcohol. Clear? Now we take the B point here. So we take the B point, what here? So we take the B point here by process of what here? From the hydrocarbon. Now we take the B point here from the hydrocarbon. It means with the help of hydrocarbon we also prepared a aldehyde and ketones. So we take the point number B here, what here? From hydrocarbon. You know what is hydrocarbon? The process, the compound in which the compound which have the carbon as well as hydrogen, or hydrogen as well as carbon, called as a hydrocarbon. All organic compound are the example of hydrocarbon. It may be members of alkane, alkene, alkyne. All these compound, or it may be any functional group. This functional group have the carbon as well as hydrogen. That's why the all organic compound is an example of hydrocarbon. It means all compound which contain a carbon as well as a hydrogen. So we take the point here from a hydrocarbon. We prepared a aldehyde and ketone. In the hydrocarbon we take the point number first by ozonolysis of alkene, by ozonolysis of alkene. It means we take the example here, hydrocarbon is alkene. So on the alkene we added a process of ozonolysis of alkene. It means with the help of ozonolysis of alkene we prepared a aldehyde and ketones. Clear beta? Okay. First of all, what is ozonolysis? So the ozonolysis is defined as the process in which breaking of ozone, means you know ozone but how the molecular formula is O3, what here? It is electrons of oxygen. Okay? So the process in which the breaking of ozone and are added in the alkene and to form the aldehyde and ketone, called as the ozonolysis of alkene. You know alkene? Alkene is a member of hydrocarbon which contain a carbon-carbon double bond. So we take the chemical reaction when alkene means CH2 double bond CH2 member of alkene called ethene, on react with here O single bond O, it's also write here what? O3, ozone, in presence of what here? Heat. This ozone are break, the process called ozonolysis, and this ozone are added in between these carbon and carbon. So what we take here? So we take here H2C, clear? Here also what here? Okay beta. So this H2C on further a reaction with this carbon and this oxygen and which have the what here? CH2. What here? CH2. It means these 3 oxygen are added in between these 2 carbon. So 1 carbon between these 2 carbon and 2 oxygen and at the lower side. So when a alkene means ethene is a member of alkene called ethene on ozonolysis. So when a ethene is react with ozone, in presence of heat it form the ozonoid compound. On these ozonoid compound further react with zinc dust. This zinc dust are act as what here? A reducing agent. It means it will be accept oxygen toward it. It means it is act as reducing agent और इट आर एक्ट एज रिडक्शन प्रोसेस. यानी Zn जो है वो ओजोन यानी ओजोनॉइड कंपाउंड में ओ को एक्सेप्ट कर लेता है बेटा. ठीक है. सो दिस ओजोनॉइड कंपाउंड फर्दर रिएक्ट विथ अ जिंक डस्ट. These zinc dust are act as a catalyst, not a zinc dust does not act as catalyst. It is act as a reagent. It is act as a reagent or reactant. So these compound are break with the help of heat in this way. Clear? So this what we get a 2 compound here. What here? CH2O. This CH2O plus same here CH2O and plus loss of ZNO. This CH2O means what here? This CH2O is also right in the form of HCHO. What here? Or here also HCHO, and the HCHO is called as what here? Formaldehyde. What here? Formaldehyde. It means the CHO group attached to the hydrogen. The special name of compound called as a formaldehyde or CHO called as aldehyde. It means with the help of ozonolysis of alkene it form the aldehyde. Which aldehyde? Formaldehyde. This compound is also right in the form of what here? Or what here? Twice CH2O or what here? Twice HCHO. क्लियर है बेटा? ये जो CH2O को हम ऐसा लिखेंगे या फिर ऐसा लिखेंगे या दोनों को कंबाइन करके कैसे लिखेंगे? CH2O लिखेंगे. बात समझ में आ रही है आपको? क्लियर है? क्लियर है? ट्वाइस CH2O और ट्वाइस CHO. क्लियर है? एंड लॉस ऑफ ZNO. This O and ZNO goes as ZNO. So with the help of this ozonolysis of what here? Alkene, we prepared what here? The aldehyde and ketone. What here? Aldehyde and ketones. Clear? Okay beta. Now we take the second example here. CH3 single bond CH double bond CH2. Clear है? Or this H also replaced by the any CH3. It is called what? How many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon called as butene. So butene is a member of alkene. Is further react with OOO. Means what here? O called as what? O3 called as oxygen. Now further this O are added in between these 2 carbon. So what we get? We get a product CH3C. This CH3 are same O attached to what here? CH2, and this oxygen and this what here? The oxygen. Clear? Now further this compound are break down in with the help of Zn. What here? Zn dust. So what we get here beta? So this compound are break in this way and in this way. So what we get? We get CH3CO, CH3 called as acetone, and this CH2O called as a formaldehyde. So with the help of ozonolysis of what here? It is called as a what here? The butene. What we get? We get a acetone. What here? So we get here the what is beta acetone means CH3COCH3 plus HCHO called as a formaldehyde. It is called as a what here? Acetone. ठीक है बेटा, यानी आपको याद रखना है बेटा सिंपल रिएक्शंस क्या हो रही है यहाँ पे. इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ व्हाट हियर? इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ ओजोनाइड compound. What here? So the process in which the addition of ozone in a alkene called as the ozonolysis of alkene. With the help of ozonolysis of alkene we prepared a what here? Aldehyde and ketone. With the help of ethene we prepared aldehyde. With the help of butene we prepared a one molecule of acetone, ketone and second molecule of formaldehyde. ठीक है बेटा, तो इस तरीके से हमने आज क्या देखा बेटा टॉपिक था हमारा जनरल मेथड ऑफ प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अल्डिहाइड एंड कीटोन्स. इसमें पॉइंट नंबर 1 देखा बाय ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ अल्कोहल एग्जांपल लिया. सेकंड बाय डिहाइड्रोजनेशन ऑफ अल्कोहल. नेक्स्ट बी फ्रॉम हाइड्रोकार्बन. फर्स्ट वी टेक द बाय ओजोनोलिसिस ऑफ अल्कीन. जिस तरीके से बेटा हमारा यहाँ पे जो टॉपिक था इसकी एक रिएक्शन बाकी है, वो रिएक्शन हम लोग नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में लेंगे. ठीक है, वो रिएक्शन का नेम क्या है? बाय हाइड्रेशन ऑफ व्हाट हियर? अल्काइन. व्हाट हियर? द हाइड्रेशन ऑफ अल्काइन. ठीक है, ओके, क्लियर है. इस तरीके से सिंपल है बेटा, ये आपको प्रिपरेशन याद रखनी है, इजी है. पहले हमने ऑक्सीजन को ऐड किया, उसको बोलते हैं ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ अल्कोहल. सेकंड रिएक्शन में हाइड्रोजन को रिमूव किया, उससे क्या बोलते हैं हम? डिहाइड्रोजनेशन ऑफ अल्कोहल. थर्ड रिएक्शन में हमने ओजोन को ऐड किया, उससे बोलते हैं ओजोनोलिसिस ऑफ अल्कीन. अल्कीन में ओजोन को ऐड किया, उससे बोलते हैं अल्कीन व्हाट हियर? ओजोनोलिसिस ऑफ अल्कीन प्रिपेयर्ड अल्डिहाइड एंड कीटोन. The special name called as what here? From the hydrocarbon. ठीक है, so in this way we take the preparation of aldehyde and ketone. Okay, thank you so much.